Hello, if you are new here, my name is Madison and this is Mads Makeup. If you are not new, then welcome back. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to get this neon Christmas light look that I have on my face right now. This is a really popular one over on Instagram, so I wanted to show you how to recreate it yourself. So if you would like to see how to get this Christmas light look, then just keep watching the video. I'm going to be starting out by outlining the area where I'm going to be putting the Christmas lights. I'll be using the NYX Jumbo Eyeliner Pencil with a small tipped brush and outlining the areas where I want to put those Christmas lights. So that way when I go in with the eyeliner, I'm not just doing it willy-nilly without having an outline of where I want to place it. I kind of want to go for one that has like a bit of like the little twist or the knot in it. I'm going to just start out and we're going to go like this. Do a little ziggity-doo. Up. And now we're going to go up the nose. And up and over. Put squiggly right here. And up the cheek. The other side. Actually, you know what? I think I want the squiggly to go down. The other one went up. What's nice about this stuff is it's so easy to wipe off, which is why I like to use that to outline. So that way if I do make a mistake, then it's not guaranteed to stay on my face and I can just do a little wipe and then we're good to do again what I was wanting to do. There, and there we go, that's where I want it. So that's just gonna be the first step, making sure you have your outline for it, and then we can move on to start doing some of the black lining and then adding the lights after. For the black liner, I'm gonna be going into the Eyeko eyeliner pen. There we go. I like using this pen when it comes to doing fine lines because it has a nice sharp tip and it distributes a lot of product to the tip. My pen is kind of running out, so it might run out in the middle, and so if it does, I usually just will shake it up and try to get some more of that product to the tip. I'll start going up with that line. And just follow all along where you did that white line before. Do that outline because it really helps if you're not as confident with doing your liner. I'm probably gonna go back over and darken those lines because it is a little uneven, just because my pen is running out of ink. But next we're going to be moving on to doing the lights, and I'm going to be using the Midas Cosmetics neon pigments to do this. You can see right here. I'll be using a pink, an orange, a yellow, purple, and green. Just follow along while I do those little dots. And to do those, I'll start out with doing a pink one right here just to give an example. On a smaller tip brush, I just dipped that in. Tap off the excess because they do have a lot of fallout with pigments. And then we're just going to do a dot of it kind of right above the black line but not touching the line. That you can see. I'm going to tap it with my finger because I want to get some of that excess off, because if there is too much buildup of it, it will start to fall off and then just get all over your face. And there doesn't need to be any special shape to them because they are more about being neon and vibrant. They aren't going to necessarily be like perfect Christmas light shape where it's the round kind of teardrop shape. Alright, now I'm going to go into green and start adding those lights. Okay, now we are moving on to adding the white, and so I'm using the Craft Pros white paint. And this is a water activated paint, so I'm just going to be dipping my little brush into that with water on it and then just adding the little dots. I started this one right here inside of the color of the lights. I'm gonna cut the camera out here because I don't want it to go on too long, but I'm just gonna go finish filling in all the white dots through the colors, and then I'll be right back to keep finishing this look up. And to finish it off, I'm gonna be adding the little black slash that connects the wire to the light. Did these two right here just to give an example, so I'm gonna finish those off for the rest of them. And this really ties together that look, that it goes from being just like the neon into an actual Christmas light. So this is a really important step to make sure you do when you're wanting to do that Christmas light effect. And for these, what you're doing is connecting the black to the very tip of where that white starts. So it's just gonna be a tiny little dash, nothing super long. The black has been all added, so that is going to be the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you do decide to recreate, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And I hope you all have a safe and wonderful day, and thank you all for watching. Bye!